Hey everyone, back to the channel. If you are in sales, marketing, or just starting out in B2B growth, this one's for you. Today we are diving into data mining for lead generation. We'll be covering what it is, how it works, and the top tools that will help you mine quality leads without spending hours of manual researching. Imagine turning a list of 10 random companies into 100 qualified prospects in just minutes. That's the power of smart data mining. So let's get into it. So first up, what exactly is data mining? I'll give a quick definition of it. It's a process of extracting useful information about your potential customers from large data sets that could include websites, social media, other directories, databases. The step one to this is to identify who are your target audience. And this begins with defining one, what are the job designations or what are the departments that will require your solutions or products. Second comes you define who is or where is your target group. That includes the industries that you want to focus on, for whom you have built the solution. Last comes what are the regions that you want to focus on targeting. These three things combine to form your ideal customer persona. Once you have your customer persona planned out, you move on to the next part, that is defining where does this data come from. So the common sources of data include company websites where you're able to find the contact information of the company. This ideally includes the support or customer care IDs. One of the biggest gold mine of data that is available for us is LinkedIn, wherein we can search based on exactly our ICP criteria and find people who are relevant to us and gather the data for them. Next comes, say, if you are an HR consulting firm also and you want to target companies that are hiring, you can obviously move on and see job boards that have frequent hirings from certain companies, and you can target those companies. Then comes online directories like Your Story, from where you get open data of startups. You can again filter this based on the fundings. You can filter this based on the year they were started and gather and extract that data. Other databases include public databases like the MCA website, wherein again you have to log in, and for a particular company, if you have certain details, you will be able to extract data from there. Now let's talk about tools. These are the sources through that will help you save hours of manual effort. And let's break this down into categories. The first category of tools that we have are the prospecting or lead databases. That includes tools like Lucia, Apollo, Signal High. These offer contact numbers and verified email IDs for sales teams to reach out to. And then comes the scraping tools. This includes Phantom Buster, which is one of the most powerful web scraping tool out there. Primarily, it is used for LinkedIn and Sales Navigator scraping. It also has the capability of scraping data from sources like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or X. Then comes a tool called as Octopus. So Octopus is also one of the finest web scraping tool. It's a software that you get installed um, on your system, and you can then scrape through any website that has a data set. And this primarily is a quick overview of how data mining can transform your entire lead generation game. In our future videos, we'll be covering in depth about how we can scrape data or how we can mine data from specific platforms using a combination of tools to create a database or a prospect data that helps you and your sales team get the best output. So stay tuned for our next video. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to us for more such videos, and drop a comment if you want a deep dive tutorial on any of the tools I mentioned. And thank you so much for watching.